Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today it's part of Kibbeh series. You know, I told you the different varieties of kibbehs are countless in the Arab world and they're all delicious. This one is, I call it my express one because it's really so quick. It doesn't need a machine, only needs a little bit of strength. Onions. I'm gonna saute that on medium heat until it wilts. I have burghul. What you do, you soak it for 10 minutes and then you just squeeze all the water out. The burghul is the fine type. I have here lean mince beef. If you're going to an Arabic butcher, all you need to say, I would like mince meat for kibbeh, and they understand what you need. I'm gonna add the burghul. And I've got my spices, 7 spice, black pepper, salt, pureed onion, and this is a secret ingredient I add, which adds another level of flavor, dried mint. And now I'm going to mix all together. What I have here, I've got a bowl of water with ice. I'm just going to put 1 cube of ice because we're going to need some water to make the dough stick together. And you keep adding until you feel it's starting to come together and it's not dry. So it's just like I have on my basic kibbeh recipe on my blog is, if you see no cracks, that means it's ready. It's hydrated enough. Now the onions are fried. It's time to add my second secret ingredient. Summa. If you love the flavor of summa, you're gonna love this. Pine nuts. And that's done. I have a pan. Again, read the recipe. Everything is there, the sizes, tips. Always read the recipe. Canola oil. I'm gonna add half the onions. This recipe makes 2 trays this size. And now the kibbeh. Make a bowl, press it, and then press it over the onions. And now what we have to do, we just have to smooth the surface. I'm just wetting my hands with some water, and this will make sure any cracks are going to be sealed. That's ready. Now, cutting. You can use a knife or a cutter, whatever it is. I have a cutter, and I'm just gonna dab it with some oil. That way it won't stick. Then just cut diagonally, and we finish with oil. It's ready for the oven. The kibbeh is ready. You have an option. Some people like it really browned on the top. I don't really like it very browned because I find it just dries it out. So you know I always love to taste my food, and I can't wait. Delicious.